We encourage all our users to set up a profile. So going over real quick to the profile itself. So what you can do as a login user, obviously you set up your login, you can subscribe to some community updates and product updates. You can establish a watch list, right? So you can select a couple of projects that you want to follow most closely, and then those projects will be on your watch list. And you can come here, see what the security posture is. I typically will do during this upcoming bull run is take my entire portfolio. These obviously aren't coins that I'm holding right now, but just coins that I was curious about tracking their security. And then I can measure all of my portfolio projects and their security posture in real time at a glance. And that's something that you can do if you're a free sign up user. So I encourage everyone to go do that.
Right. So this is a free product. This is just logging in helps you track and monitor over time. There's no subscription fee or anything like that.
Exactly. Yeah. Our objective is really to make this accessible and free to the community. At this point, there's nothing to charge. In addition to that, there are a lot of features that are unlocked by sign-up users. So here, what we can see is the not top mentioned coins by an influencer that is a sign-up feature user. So in this case, we can see Ryan has most mentioned Bitcoin, XRP, Filecoin, Huobi, BNB chain. So understanding what assets are connected to that influencer is something that you get access to.
And top trending posts, is this?
Yeah, this looks at all of their trending tweets in real time. So, see like if they had any sort of hot take recently, that's something that, will appear here, and you can see what the community is engaging with for them. So really kind of curating that for the user.